First, ensure your PayPal account is verified and crypto trading is enabled. You'll need to complete Know Your Customer verification with ID and bank details. Buy Bitcoin within PayPal if you don't already have it. Use linked payment methods like debit cards or bank transfers. Fees apply for purchases. Link your external wallet by going to the crypto section in PayPal, selecting Settings, then Add Wallet. Paste your wallet's receiving address or scan the QR code. Compatible wallets include Coinbase Wallet or MetaMask. Now you can send BTC by selecting your BTC balance, entering the recipient address, amount, and confirming the transfer. Transfers typically complete in 1 to 3 business days, depending on network congestion. Fees apply and may include a flat fee plus network fees, around $5 to $20 for BTC. Always use 2FA for added security and monitor your transaction history. Transfers are irreversible once confirmed on the blockchain. Before transferring Bitcoin from PayPal to external wallets, consider the security risks. Transfers are irreversible, so always double-check the recipient address to avoid permanent loss. Be aware of phishing scams that mimic PayPal's interface, attempting to steal your information or crypto. While PayPal offers buyer protection for crypto purchases, this protection does not cover external transfers to wallets. Looking to the future, expect broader global rollout of this feature and potential integrations with crypto exchanges. Regulatory changes and market volatility might affect availability and fees for transfers. The trend towards Web3 interoperability is growing, with PayPal exploring options like stablecoin transfers. Experts recommend prioritizing self-custody to minimize risks associated with centralized platforms like PayPal.